Hi there, welcome to my little screencast that will sort of walk you through the process of setting up your Edublog. Keep in mind that this is brand new to all of us, so if you have problems over the weekend, if things aren't working out, this is going to be a real troubleshooting kind of thing. So if you have problems, don't worry about it, we'll get it figured out. I'm going to kind of walk you through how to do it as best I can and try to explain kind of where you're going to go. So the first thing you want to do is go to your email. You should get 3 emails from Edublogs. The one you want to click on is the one that says New Edublogs Site, and it says congratulations. I've set up kind of a dummy student account so I could kind of show you this. When you click on that particular email, it's going to give you your URL for your blog. It's going to give you a username and password. I've created these for you. You can click on this link and it's going to take you over to Edublogs. I've also, by the way, put a link to it on the Symbaloo, so you can get to it from there. And if you click on that link in the email, it's already got your username there, and just type in the password that I set for you. And it's going to bring you over here. Now, I just tried this out my first time, and when I first logged in, the only thing showing up was this View Class Blog. My personal blog wasn't actually there yet. So what I want you to do is go to this My Class blog, and you're going to see this is the teacher blog that's set up for the whole class. As you can see, I don't have a whole lot of content just yet. These are some static pages that I've set up that I'm going to be putting content on that's going to stay instruction type things. This is for sort of my blog posts. If I make any blog posts as we go through this, that's where you'll find them. And then you're going to see this list of class blogs. Right now there's not much on there. You can see this is the test dummy account that I've created for myself to show you this screencast. This is Claire's because I worked with her a little bit to figure this out. But as I create your blogs, you're going to see a big, long 65 person list down here of all of our blogs for every AP student. What you want to do is click on your blog, the one that I've set up for you, find it on this list. And when you click on it, I can't show you this right now, but it's going to pop up this little box that says they need more information. You've got to type in your name, you got to type in your school, and you've got to type in reason for blogging. Just type blogging for English class, something very simple like that. And then there's a little CAPTCHA to make sure you're not a robot. And then click OK. And once you do that, it'll actually bring you back out to the dashboard. And you'll see at that point, you should see, now it's not going to do it again. Once you click on your AP Line Test blog, you're gonna, whatever your blog is, you should see it up here. Now you can go to your dashboard, and now you should be able to see your own posts. Okay, so this is sort of the default post that they created for you. And that's fine. You can add a new post if you just want to try like some sort of, let's just do this, test post. And I'm just going to click, this is my test post, publish. And now you can go out there and click view my posts, and it's going to take you out to your blog. And as you can see right now, it's really lame and boring and there's nothing on it. But you can change that. So you're going to go up here to customize. It's a little slow. I'm not sure if that's the school's network or if that's the Edublogs site. So hopefully it will work a little bit more quickly. But this is where you can make some changes, and I would encourage you to do this over the weekend to get your blog set up. It helps you kind of figure out how things are set up and what things look like. So you can change your site identity, and I'm okay with that. You can change the title of your blog. My only requests, actually I have 2 requests. Number 1, make sure that there's something in your blog title that tells us your name. we want to be able to find each other's blogs really easy, and having totally random titles is not going to be conducive to that. So it has to have your name, first or last name, somewhere in it, and it has to be school appropriate. Whatever you put, anything you post on this site at any time is school appropriate. This is not just a place for you to spout off about whatever you feel like talking about. It's not your personal diary. So that's something to think about. You can create a site icon. Anytime you make any changes here, you want to click save. It'll be up here. But you can actually change your theme. So if you wanted this to look differently, you can pick from some different themes. Let's just say I wanted my blog to look like I don't know. Let's pick this one. This one looks good. As I said, it's running a little slow, but eventually it's going to populate over here, and you're going to be able to see what your blog would look like visually. Okay, so it's still kind of bland. You can add a background image, again, school appropriate. You can add a header image. You can change the colors depending on what theme you pick. Sometimes you can't change the colors, as I found out. You can change what happens on the front. The front page is going to be, that's not what I wanted to hit. I think the default front page is going to be your most recent posts, which is definitely what you should have on there because we want to be able to see that. But you can change the colors of certain things. Like I said, some of the templates actually allow you to pick more colors than others. It's a little touchy. I will tell you that right now. You can add a background image on this particular theme. Let's see what I can, let me just pick, well, let's go with snowflakes. Definitely in snowflake mode right now. You can upload a picture right there. Choose image, and that's going to make it my background. Let me click save and publish. And it looks like I can't see that. So, like I said, you're going to have to play a little bit, and I encourage you to play. I encourage you to customize it. All I'm really concerned with you doing this weekend or this homework assignment before next class is get in here, find your blog, get it set up. If you want to make changes, you can play with that if you're comfortable with that. If you're not, leave it at the default. This is really about the writing. But I do want you to be able to personalize it and recognize any issues that you're having, any confusions that you're having, so we can be ready to dive into this next time. If you have problems, please send me an email and try to be as specific as possible with what you need, and I'll try to help you out. Or at the very least, if not over email, we can look at it next class and figure that out. Okay? Thank you very much.